Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but this yarn is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, another row, another row, another row. "20 days left." For those of you who are crocheting, making crafts or whatever for your loved ones, family, friends, co-workers, you only got 20 days left. So you better get a move on it. Although today we are going to do, yes, actually crocheting. Can you believe that? I am actually crocheting. It's not a buzz, it's a... The first one we're going to is these. These are supposed to be dish towels. I know, dish towels? Yes, they're supposed to be dish towels. I made them bigger than what was required. I kind of changed the, I always want to say recipe, but pattern. I added an extra row to it because it's really supposed to be 4, and I added an extra 1. But these are by Flux. And those are in Discord under free patterns as well. This looks pretty. It would be pretty for Christmas. Really pretty. So, and this one, I like alternated colors. Yeah, they can also be doubled as coasters. They definitely can. Because I was actually using this one as a coaster. They work really well as a coaster. Look at that. It's pretty. Nobody said that coasters have to fit so close around. And a placemat if you want to make them bigger. That is correct. So what we need is an H hook. That is an H hook. And then we need cotton. Now, for this one, I used Pima cotton. And Pima cotton is very soft. It's so much softer than the Lily Sugars and Cream. There is just such a huge difference in it. You got lots of cotton. I do suggest that you do use cotton. I mean, if you're going to use this as coasters, you don't have to. But I mean, coasters are what? What if you waste something? It's up under liquid, right? So what if you waste something or, or condensation or something from, the glass? A lot of cotton needs to be washed before it gets soft. And this is one of them. Definitely sugar and cream needs to be washed before it can get soft. But Pima cotton is already soft, which is why you're probably going to pay more. You're going to pay more for it. I got it on sale. Of course I did. Let's go with this. Have I used this? I don't think I've used this yet. This is Sugar and Cream in the colorway of Autumn Leaves. Autumn Leaves. And we are going to use this. Okay. All right, here we go. So she says, to begin, start with a basic round. So she says to do this and form a ring. She says to chain 6 and then form a ring by going into the first chain And then you make 12 double crochets in the center of the ring. I didn't do that. I liked better to make a magic ring and then do the 12. So 1,
2, 3, let's go.
Y'all know what crochet has done for me. You especially started learning what it has done for me when I started crocheting that cardigan when I was in the dark for 36 hours. So crochet is just, I can't, to say savior, I don't know. Can something like crochet be a savior? This is a rarity, but this is something I'm changing. I am going to start crocheting, and this is finished, by the way, y'all. So here is your first gift idea. This, again, is in Discord under free patterns. Go and make you a bunch of these and get to scrubbing. Okay? Get to scrubbing.
Be strong.